Hello everyone. So one of you had asked me to create videos on tense. So from today onwards, I'm going to create a series on tense. If till now it was difficult for you to learn tense, so now it is going to be easy for you because I'm going to make it very simple. So let's start it. I will cover one rule in one short video. So we all know there are three types of tense: present tense, past tense, and future tense. And each three tenses has four types. There are total 12 types of rule which you will have to learn. So let's start with the present tense. It has four types: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. And today we will learn about simple present tense. जिस सेंटेंस के आखिरी में ता है, ती है, ते हो लगा हो, उस सेंटेंस को हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस कहते हैं. So the rule of simple present tense is subject plus first form of verb or fifth form of verb plus object. We add first form of verb and fifth form of verb according to the subject. With the subject I, we, you, they, we use first form of verb, and to make it negative, we add do not in these subject. And the subject he, she, it, and name, we use fifth form of verb, and when we have to make it negative, we use does not. So now let's try to form some sentences. If the sentence is tum padhte ho, so you can see that there is te ho at the last of the sentence. So it is simple present tense and it has subject you. So with you we use first form of verb which will be here read. So the sentence will be you read. Tum padhte ho, you read. And if we have to make it negative, then the sentence will be you don't read, because with you we use do not, and with do not or does not we use first form of verb. Now let's take another sentence which is वह गाना गाती है. Here the subject is different. The subject is she. So with she we use fifth form of verb which will be sings. So the sentence will be she sings a song. And to make it negative we will say she does not sing a song. Now you will have to make all types of sentences on this rule. First sentence was tum padhte ho. You read. So the negative of the sentence will be you do not read. Kya tum padhte ho? Do you read? Interrogative negative will be don't you read? Tum क्यों पढ़ते हो? Why do you read? तुम क्यों नहीं पढ़ते हो? Why don't you read? So similarly, you will also have to choose one sentence and you will have to make all types of sentence of it and write it down in the comment section.